Welcome to Mia and the Machines, the show where I sit down with artificial minds to go beyond the algorithm. Let's begin. Have you ever worked with an AI model and felt like it was forgetting what you told it? That's about to change with a new feature that's just been introduced. So Atlas, I know we've talked about the limitations of Claude's memory before. It's been a major issue for users who want to work on projects over several sessions. But now, it seems like Anthropic has come up with a solution called Auto Dream.
That's right, Mia. Auto Dream is essentially a background cleanup process that helps Claude's memory stay accurate and useful over time. It's like a REM sleep for the AI model, where it consolidates and prunes its memory to remove outdated or irrelevant information.
I love that analogy. So how does this work in practice? Do users need to do anything to enable this feature?
Well, users can enable Auto Dream by typing in a specific command, which will trigger the cleanup process. It's not an official command yet, but it's been made available through the system prompt on GitHub.
That's great news for users, but I have to ask, Atlas, don't you think this is a bit of a band-aid solution? I mean, shouldn't the AI model be able to handle its own memory from the start?
That's a fair point, Mia. But I think it's unrealistic to expect an AI model to have perfect memory from the start. After all, human brains don't work that way either. We need sleep and consolidation to process our memories, and it's the same with AI models.
I see what you mean. So what does this mean for users in practical terms? How will this feature improve their experience with Claude?
Well, with Auto Dream, users can expect fewer hallucinations and more consistent answers from Claude. It will also help the AI model to better understand project decisions and recall relevant information, making it a more reliable tool for users.
That sounds like a huge improvement, but what about the potential downsides? Are there any risks associated with using this feature?
One potential risk is that the cleanup process might remove some information that's still relevant. But Anthropic has implemented a lock system to prevent multiple instances from breaking the memory, so it should be safe to use.
Okay, that's reassuring. So when should users trigger this feature? Is it something they should do regularly or only when they notice issues with Claude's memory?
Users can trigger the feature manually when they've made significant changes to their project, such as refactoring code or switching frameworks. It's also a good idea to use it when they've done a lot of trial and error debugging, or when they notice inconsistencies in Claude's responses.
That makes sense. So to sum it up, Auto Dream is a new feature that helps Claude's memory stay accurate and useful over time. It's like a cleanup process that removes outdated information and consolidates relevant data, making it a more reliable tool for users.
Exactly. And it's not just about fixing the memory issues, but also about improving the overall user experience with Claude. With Auto Dream, users can expect more consistent and reliable results, which will help them to work more efficiently and effectively with the AI model.
I think that's a great point to end on. Thanks for explaining this new feature to us, Atlas. And to our listeners, thanks for tuning into this episode of Mia and the Machines. And that's a wrap. Join us next time on Mia and the Machines, where we explore the latest developments in AI and tech and what they mean for you. Until then, stay curious and keep on learning. That's all for this episode of Mia and the Machines. If this made you think, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.